Imagine a world of silence.
Colors unknown to man, and dullness to one's life, creeping towards humanity. This is not a life not worth living.
Uy, kamo ba? The-drama sa ninyo eh. This is not what the video is all about.
Hold it. That is why today we will take you to the world of arts appreciation.
Time capsule of amazing years spent on recognizing, celebrating, and acknowledging the beauty of appreciating arts.
And know that life is worth living all along.
So what does arts appreciation really mean? By definition, arts is the creation of tangibles by making one's idea into a reality. While appreciation means recognizing with a full understanding of something. Meaning, arts appreciation is having a full understanding of the different forms and styles of art, which means that throughout history, man has been evolving using one's idea by literally creating everything we see around us. Now, Cadet Jupino will enlighten us more onto this. Cadet, take it away.
Thank you, Cadet Malinaw. Art appreciation outlines the nature of humanities, exploring literature, philosophy, history, religion, and of course, the arts. Now, the nature of arts has always been multifaceted. Being able to take on different subjects of arts like objects, nature, and even human experiences, and creating them using different mediums in various art forms. On a different note, Cadet Pipito will take you on a different journey.
Of course I will. Now, we uncover the building blocks of visual expression, known as the elements of art. This includes lines, shapes, and spaces carrying uniqueness on expressing one's potentials. With these elements, underlying principles recognized such as balance, unity, and proportion, to provide the artist with the frameworks to organize and structure the artworks effectively. Isn't that right, Cadet Arriesgado?
Certainly, it is. But more than what we see, art is informed through music as well. Take into account the reggae music of Bob Marley we all vibe on, or feel the heart-crushing songs of Taylor Swift. But more than the reality of hearing the sound, we can also feel them with full emotions, and that's on appreciating arts. Diba, Cadet Acebes?
I couldn't agree more, Cadet. And with that, it's important to take into a personal note when it comes to arts appreciation. Just like in the Philippines, homes of endless festivities, textiles, music, language, and more. It is best to acknowledge how us Filipinos take into this journey, recognizing our beautiful past, like the arts of Muslim Mindanao, tapestries, and textiles, injected with the story of grit, perseverance, and love towards culture.
With the knowledge of this program, we hope to inspire you to take on a challenge,
And that it is very much important to appreciate more the beauty of arts have to offer.
And
See you in our next journey. Bye!
go!
Include lines,